What's up, y'all? So we're back to level 23. Let's see if we can solve this mission. So if you haven't already, watch my last video to get the password. That's up to you. I make sure that everybody has the basic skills as we're evolving to each level, because I don't want you guys to miss anything. So if you haven't already, go back, watch that video. Here, I'm just gonna start with the password. This is a play off of the last video that we saw. So let's go ahead and go into the folder they told us where we could find all of the cron jobs. Let's see what we got here. So we know that cron jobs are things that happen incrementally in the background, synchronously, that we don't see, like a reboot or some files disappearing or whatnot. But I want to go ahead and see what. So we played with this one last time, so we know we're gonna play with this folder this time. So let's go ahead and see what cron job we're working with. This cron job is rebooting for the user Bandit 24 and is running this script. Let's find out what this script is. Okay, so it's a bash script, and then it's going to be changing directory to execute and delete all scripts within this folder or file name. Excuse me. But if within the for loop is continuously running, but if you are the owner Bandit 3, so if we are the owner for Bandit 23, then timeout. And every 60 seconds, basically run it, execute I. So what we're gonna do is basically see what's being executed within Bandit 24, because that's the direction we're going for. And we know that there is some kind of execution and deleting of scripts there that we might catch our password within it. If you haven't watched the videos before, we know that various spool holds the passwords in etc bandit underscore pass bandit 24. So let's see if we can make a temporary folder that can overwrite that script, and we hijack the password. Let's go to it. I'm feeling pretty much lazy right now. And then, is anything here? No, nothing's here. Let's go ahead and put something there by getting into our editor. Make it a level 23 file. So let's go ahead and format the file first to make sure it'll run appropriately. like I said, we're going to be stealing the password from Bandit 24. And we want to put it in our new folder that we said. I want to make sure it really gets pushed there. Either or will work. One angle bracket or two. And it's coming from our directory. Well, no, we want to put it in our directory. Password 24. So, cat underscore, etc. Bandit paths, new temporary new script. So we should come out with a password 24 file in the end. Because right now, we only have our level 23.sh. What I do want to make clear is that we will be executing these within Bandit 24. Let's see if this can make sense. So I want to make sure we see it. So we want to make sure when we go there, we have Bandit 24 permissions, right? Because right now, ls-l has Bandit 23 permissions. So let's go ahead and change the modifications to make sure it's an executable. 777 read, write, and executable for the next level. Yeah, so we've changed it to an executable. I also want to make sure this folder is an executable too. For this, because if we don't give it the right permissions to execute, it will not pass the password over. Now that we've changed our permissions for the file, let's go ahead and copy our level 23. Well, what we want to make sure where we're copying from, which is going to be from here to our level 23 file to spit out password 24. But remember, this is an execution that will happen every 60 minutes. So right now, let's say Bandit 24, we execute this at 12:25. Right now, nothing's there. And we're like, oh no, did it not copy the file over? It's copying the file, but it copies it every 60 seconds for handling. So when this turns to 12:26, we should get an update as far as if there was a copy left over. And there, we see it. Let's see if anything came out of it. And yep, our password to the next level. Pretty interesting how we could do cronies jobs that way. We can synchronize things on different time levels so that nobody's tracking us instantly. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this level. Check for me on the next level. Let's go.